India is one of the largest producer of coal in the world, and it is also the largest importer of coal in the world. According to latest data, coal stocks at more than 100 power plants have fallen below 25% of the required stock. In more than 50 thermal plants, the stock has fallen below 10%. States are seeking additional coal supplies from Coal India Limited. India's power demand in majority meets by thermal power plants, which accounts for 70% production of electricity, and these are powered by coal. According to data provided by Central Electricity Authority on 19th April, it shows India is generating 182.39 gigawatt with an average of 34% coal stock in them. 9 thermal plants with capacity to generate 3.56 gigawatt are currently non-functional. Out of 173 thermal plants in India, 85 plants are fired by domestic coal which have less than 25% stock, while 11 plants are running on imported coal have hit critical levels. Now let's talk about what are reasons of a coal shortage. The main reason of this problem is increasing power demand. In 2019, demand was 106.6 BU, which increased to 124.2 BU per month and more than 132 BU in 2022. India has also faced a coal crisis in October 2021. This was due to shipping delays with stock dropping to just 4 days. According to Centre's core management team, reason for shortage of coals were analyzed. The core management team stated that there were heavy rains in coal mining areas like Gujarat, Punjab, Rajasthan, Delhi and Tamil Nadu, which resulted in lesser production of coal. Prior to monsoon season, there was inadequate coal stock built up in most of thermal power plants, which pushed them below the critical levels. Centre also stated that there is 43.6% reduction in imported coal, which led to extra demand of 17.4 million tons of domestic coal. This has also depleted further coal reserves. Now let's talk about what is Coal India doing to deal with shortage. Coal India Limited stated that it had raised its supplies to thermal power plants by 14.2% during first half of April 2022 compared to last year. Coal generation has hit 1.64 million tons per day compared to 1.43 million tons in 2021. Company has raised its production to 26.4 million tons during first half of 2022, achieving 27% year-on-year growth. Coal India Limited has also said that additional 8.75 million tons of coal will be made available to state and central generating companies via rail till 31 May 2022. How can a coal shortage affect power supply and cost of electricity? According to Fitch, the daily electricity deficit in India has increased from 0.3% to 1% in April 2022. This has led to increase in price of electricity traded on Indian exchanges from an average of 3 kW per hour to 8.23 kW per hour in March. CEA has capped short-term power exchange rates to 12 rupee kW per hour. The peak in demand has been met with load shedding, planned outages by states like Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Jharkhand, Bihar, Haryana and Uttarakhand. From 1st April, Jharkhand has been facing average supply shortage of 10 to 12%, followed by Andhra Pradesh 10%, Uttarakhand 8 to 10%, Madhya Pradesh 6% and Haryana 4%. Now the main topic comes, how does the centre plan to fix the coal crisis? Centre has allowed states to use captive coal reserves up to 25% to meet growing domestic demand. Centre is thinking to buy imported coal stock, but problem is of higher coal prices across the world. In 2020, Centre had passed mining reforms to end Coal India Limited monopoly on India's coal manufacturing. Law allow any party to bid for coal mines instead of only those companies which use coal for running their businesses. This law has also incentivized early coal production with rebate in revenue share and promised 50,000 crore investment for diversifying Coal India Limited operations. Recently, 42 trains had been cancelled to make way for coal carriages amid shortage. There is a shortage of coal as we know, so it's our responsibility to save electricity at our respective places. I hope by now you are clear why India is facing electricity crisis. It's because of coal production. It's high time we should acquire alternate sources of energy like solar energy in our home. If you find this video informative, feel free to like and share the video and subscribe our channel for more interesting updates. Thank you friends.